everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am excited to go ahead and play in some new makeup. I've actually had this for a while, but it's just been sitting in my makeup vanity and I haven't actually touched it yet. So I figured why not go ahead and try it out. So that is going to be the Laura Mercier Caviar Eye Stick colors, and they are just really gorgeous stick eyeshadows, and they sent me their full collection. I'm not going to keep them because you guys know I'm trying to get better with being excessive this year and just having stuff just to have, and I really want to declutter my whole life, honestly. And so with that, whenever I do get makeup, I'm very fortunate to get makeup in PR packages, but I don't need it all. And so with that being said, I'll actually be giving away some of these shadows to one of my beautiful subscribers who's watching this video. I'll get the details at the end of the video, but let's just say someone will get themselves a bunch of the caviar stick eyeshadows as well. So I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 of them. And obviously they're all the nude ones because I am a sucker for good nude shadows. And I've swatched them before, but I haven't actually tried them out and really created a full look with them. So today we're gonna do just that. So I'm gonna do a couple swatches real quick, just gonna show you guys, you know, how they look in their colors. So first one is going to be the shade Amethyst. And Amethyst is actually like a really pretty mauvey purple shade. Let's see. It's really pretty. It's more of like a really pretty taupe mauvey shade. It's really gorgeous. So that's Amethyst. Oh, and they also do come in, I believe they come in 2 different finishes. So there's metallics and then there's matte. But I think I only have a black matte one, so just ignore that. Okay, so the next one's going to be the shade Tuxedo. This is a black matte. And Tuxedo is just a plain black matte. I love, one thing I do love about these, same thing with their velour matte lipsticks. I love this child-friendly stick packaging. It makes traveling with these and just packing up and just being on the go with them so much easier because they're so compact. But of course, like, they're great quality products. So like if you're out eating and you want to touch up your lipstick or touch up your eyeshadow, you are good to go. Okay, next up is going to be the shade Copper. Okay, and Copper is okay, Copper right here is gorgeous. I love that. That one's so pretty. Like, that one's screaming my name. Okay, next up is going to be the shade Sand Glow. This should be like a golden color. That's pretty as well. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's not really gold. It's more of like a, it's not really even a smoke gray. It's kind of like a really cool golden because it has a little bit of a gray undertone, but it's still in that gold bronze family. It's really pretty as well. Okay, I also have the shade, this is the shade Sugar Frost. Okay, it's a really pretty champagne shade. That's gorgeous. I love that one. I could see Sugar Frost as like an everyday, just swipe on some color on your lid, you know, for work, church, date night, whatever. Okay, I have 2 more. This is the shade Moonlight. This is pretty. Okay, so here's Moonlight. These are all similar, but Moonlight actually has a little hint of like a rosy or purple undertone, kind of, but it's still in that same silver, bronzy family. It's really pretty. And then last up, we have the shade Khaki, which is, okay, yeah, this deep chocolate one here. These are just from the swatches. They're gorgeous, but some of those would make for really good, you know, in a rush, everyday type of eye look. So that is the swatches of what I have. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe these off and then hop into the eye look. Okay, so gonna go ahead and jump into this eye look. I don't know what I want to do yet. I'm thinking something really sultry and smoky, but I definitely have to use a palette to create this look. Well, I don't have to, but just my preference. Because of course, you know, since we're working with cream eyeshadows, I have to have something in the crease and, you know, just to help bring everything together. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pull out a palette I have not used in a while. And that is the Violet Voss palette here. It's a gorgeous palette, and just get to work. So I'm thinking that for my main color on the lid, I'm thinking I'm gonna do Khaki, because Khaki is nice and chocolatey, and it would make for a really pretty chocolate metallic bronzy eye, I feel like. So to stick in that family, I'm going to just go ahead and use some, you know, chocolate tones. So I'm gonna first go in with the shade Serve, which is this really pretty reddish brown, and apply this into my crease. And I feel like I haven't done a really sultry, chocolatey, bronzy eye in a minute, so I'm excited about this look. Just taking this and blending this out. And I love this palette because these colors are so pigmented and they blend out so easily. And I'm just blending that into the crease, and then it's blending out those harsh edges just to actually know it's a nice base for this look. Alrighty, next up I'm going to take the shade Snatch. No, do I want to do Snatched? I'm thinking Snatch because that's a really pretty chocolate. And let's see. Yeah, I think that'll go with the color pretty well. So I'm going to take this and just apply it in the crease. But I don't really mind if that color gets on the lid either because we'll just be applying the color on the lid anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But you want it to really get nice and smoky. So I'm taking it, plopping it in the crease, and then just blending it out in place. Because I want it to be blended, but I don't want to move the product up too high. So I want to keep it kind of right in that crease area. See, and now we have a really, really nice smoky eye. And this is where taking your time and blending this really, really makes a huge difference. And again, just take your time and blend out those edges. And here I'm just using, you know, small circular motions just to blend everything out, all nice and diffused. I'm going to take that first brush and just blend out those edges. And if you raise your eyebrow, that also helps with blending because you kind of have more space to blend out. You see how those two colors just easily marry together and just blend it in just so easily? That's why I love this palette. Okay, clean blending brush and just blending out those edges again. You guys see, obviously, it's all about blending with this look. Okay, and then going with the shade Khaki, just to be pretty simple because you guys already saw that the swatch itself is already beautiful in itself. Just taking this and applying this all over my lid. And I'm just applying it all over and just bringing it up into my crease. And I love that color. I love it because it's different. It's not like a traditional chocolate brown. It actually has kind of like a little bit of a, almost like a dark green or olive green undertone to it. I don't know. I can't describe it, but it's gorgeous. Ooh, I like that combination. Other side. And taking this, applying it all over, and then bringing it into the crease. Okay, so just again, first impressions, you guys, I am loving these shadow sticks. Like, it just makes it so easy, and they're so beginner friendly. So like if you struggle with eyeshadow or like where to apply it, how to place it, how to blend it out, like if you struggle with just simple basic techniques, this is really going to help make everything 10 times easier because you guys see it's just a stick. It's like you're coloring. And I love this color. I'm gonna go back in with that same tapered brush and just blend that crease out. And it's blending out really easily as well. Here all I'm doing is I just want to blend that cream shadow into that chocolate brown. So you see how here it's blended out and over here it's not. So you want to make sure that it's still blended even though it's, you know, cream shadow. So it all looks nice and seamless. Okay, I'm going to take some of my Sugar Frost, here it is, Sugar Frost Cream Shadow Stick, and just apply a little bit up here on the high point of my brow bone. And that's really pretty. A little hint of glow. Oh, it looks so good. Okay, so now for my lower lash line, I'm going to first go in with the Tuxedo Cream Shadow, which is the black one, and apply this into my waterline. Very black and very pigmented, I like. And I seriously can't get over how creamy these things are. They're so creamy. Okay, and then I think I want to take a little bit of the same, maybe the same khaki. No, actually, I'm going to first go ahead and blend this out and then apply a little bit of khaki under there as well. So just taking a pencil brush and just smudging this out. Okay, smudged out really easily. No problems there. Going back in with khaki again and applying that underneath Tuxedo. And blending that out as well. I just feel like if I could create every look with cream shadows, I would totally do it because these are just so much easier in my opinion. They're so easy to work with. And then I think to top it off, I'm going to take the shade, should I do the shade Copper? And apply just a little bit of that in. Woo! Y'all see that? I'm telling you, if I could use these all the time, I would. I love them. And just blend this out a little bit. So it's not so harsh. Yes, y'all, I'm so hyped. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some falsies real quick, apply some mascara, and finish off my face. And then I'll come back to do the lips, and we will be done. Alrighty, guys, so I went ahead and popped on some lashes off camera. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips, and this is the last step. I'm gonna go ahead and first take my MAC Chestnut Liner. So apply this to my lips. Next up, I'm actually I was gonna use a lipstick, but to keep up with the theme of using the cream shadows, I had thought about trying to use one of these cream eyeshadows as like a lip cream. So I think I'm gonna take the shade, let's see, maybe the shade Sand Glow. Let's see. Yep, Sand Glow. Just be innovative here, you guys. And applying this all over my lips. Ah, shoot. I'm feeling very 70s in this look, you guys. Like very, very 70s. Okay. And I actually going with just a hint of the shade. What do we use? Khaki on our lids. And apply that in the outer corner. Just to kind of deepen up the outer corners. See? Just some dimension there. Guys! Oh my gosh! This is a look! Okay, this is an accidental look, but it's a look. This was definitely not planned. But I would have to say that I absolutely love the cream shadows. Because even like right now, looking at my eye right here, like in that crease, there's no creasing at all. So that should tell you that this is definitely really good quality product. Because we're not getting any creasing in there at all. Even like down here as well, nothing. I'm just blending in that copper shade a little bit better into the lower lash line color. And then also applying some mascara to blend in my natural lashes with the falsies. Ew! Ew! Y'all, this look though, this is like another level, and I'm pretty excited. Like I'm pretty to my little horn. Doot doot. So yeah, you guys, I am loving this cream eyeshadow from Laura Mercier. You guys, these caviar stick eyeshadows are bomb. Alright, you guys, so that is it for my tutorial / review of the Laura Mercier caviar stick eye color shadows. As you guys can see, they are amazing, and not only are they super pigmented, super creamy, really easy to work with, beginner friendly, travel friendly, and just amazing stick eyeshadows and creamy eyeshadows, but obviously they can be used for multiple purposes. And that is what I love about it. I love that you can use it as a shadow and as a lipstick if you're feeling a little bit more edgy. It definitely serves multiple purposes. And I hope you guys enjoyed this look and enjoyed me creating it for you guys. So as I mentioned about the giveaway, it's really, really simple and easy. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram, and then leave a comment below of just a video suggestion. It can be a product review. It can be a get ready with me chit chat topic. It can be a first impressions video. It can be a lifestyle vlog type video. It can be anything. Just let me know what you guys want to see for this year. And that is how you enter the giveaway. And the giveaway will last 1 week. So I'll leave the details down below as far as when the submissions are gonna stop. But again, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and leave a comment down below. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.